Before the fight begins, subscribe to PD Wild Truth, like, comment, and share for more wild animal wars. In the jungle shadows, a gorilla troop rests peacefully, but laughter cuts the air. Hyenas are closing in. The silverback rises, chest pounding like a war drum, muscles rippling with fury. The pack attacks. One hyena lunges, snapping at the silverback's leg. Another charges from the side, but the gorilla explodes with strength, seizing a hyena and slamming it into the ground. Still, the pack does not stop. Teeth flash, claws rake, snarls fill the forest. The silverback roars, fists pounding, holding the line for his troop. It's brute force against relentless teamwork. Who takes the victory, the fearless gorilla or the cunning hyenas? Drop your answer, smash like, and subscribe to PD Wild Truth for more untamed battles.